All right, so this particular video is going to walk you through how to update your Kali distribution. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to start by, if you noticed, I opened a terminal. So let's go ahead and I particularly like to expand this, and it is semi-translucent. Obviously, you can see partially through that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use, you should get pretty familiar with sudo apt-get update. So if you hear somebody say update your system or upgrade it, we're going to show you how to do that right now. So you're going to do sudo apt-get update. As long as you are on the network, okay, you should be able to connect and then pull rolling releases from the Kali server distributions. Okay, so I just did a sudo apt-get update, and everything looks good. Let's do a sudo apt-get distribution upgrade. And so now we're going to get into a little bit more of installation. So it's showing you there's a lot of stuff to update. So let's go ahead, and if we read the command line down here, it says, do you want to continue? It will use an additional 848 megabytes of additional disk space. So we will say yes, because we want to update. So we're going to let this run. Hopefully this won't take too long. It is now pulling and getting all of those updates. And you can see down in the bottom left corner here, based off of this, that it is now 6% complete. We can see in the bottom right, it is pulling, obviously, a lot of information pretty quickly. For updates in particular, I typically recommend that you have those plugged into a wired connection. Wireless is great. If you actually have great throughput on your wireless, that's awesome. If speed is of an essence, typically you will get a much better dedicated line if you are plugged in. All right, so as we can see, we are probably a couple minutes in here, and we are already at 25%, and we are cranking along here. And we are going to actually, what we'll do is we're going to break this video into chunks, and if anything additional comes up for prompts, I'm going to actually go ahead and restart. But right now we're going to actually stop,